let's let this, here's how it works, MMTs. On the opening bell, it's 6:39. And what we're going to be doing together is we're going to work a bottom potential capitulation live. We're going to let these call contracts, listen, I'm going to have to tell people what this capitulation's about. As we are going to go down, we are 10 minutes into the clock. The minute that we will hit the bottom, at the low end of everything, you're going to see an immediate reversal. That means that these calls, when they get down here, they are going to be wholesale. And we're exactly 10 minutes live, and you can see 141. You can see the turn now. 487 here, 374. This here pulls back. These markets will bounce. If that scenario comes in, you are looking for a knife hook reversal to clear the seller out in the first 15 minutes, but it has to be a capitulation, meaning that, okay, we've come down and we've cleared them out. All right, MMTs. Tina, look at the lows. Look at the call contracts. They're getting down to price areas.
On the weekdays, there's no 485 contracts, just 490 contracts.
I have a 490 call, and I have a 495, and that's on Google.
We still get those prices, 870 and 680. We're at 960.
I love that, 870 on that 490 call. I never said to change it.
No,
when they close at 1480, never change it. I'm still in the bid, people. When I put the bottom in the first 15 minutes, we've been open 13 minutes, and this is live right now, MMTs. And these entries are coming our way at wholesale prices. And I'm going to tell you here and now. And just watch them, because as we continue to sell up, we're looking for and training you on a possible opening bell capitulation and what they are like. When they get totally sold out, we totally will put bottoms in the names. And when that time comes,
too low on Apple.
We're still in it. Yes, Mr. Flag. Oh, yes. Let them sell, baby. That means that the put side, look at it, the put side is ripping in value. Look at that $500 put just going from 1330 to 20. Look at the 380 put on Apple from 1140, just now hitting all-time highs. And the first 14 minutes, look at that.
16.
Oh, 385 put, 13 and a half.
19,
hitting the high, 15, 60, and 90. Payday. Payday. Now, when this side stops, look for the lows over here, and we're going to see when we capitulate. We still have one more minute for a 15-minute bar, but remember, it could possibly happen in the first 20 minutes to meet the major qualifier
16.
of what this live entries
Okay, I'm long
and the
after.
training is about. Capitulation. The training is about capitulation. And I have a limit order at what price?
We have an entry at 870 and 680. Or 660. 870 on the
Rick Goley, take the 490 call down to cancel all on the 495. That one's going to go down here to 590 right now on the 495 call, 5.9. We'll let the puts, yes, we'll let the put side keep running as it is. And, excuse me,
15,
you're still
16.
selling off 178 points down. You just hit the 15-minute bell.
Leave the 490 as is.
Here we go. We got that 180 down. 15 minutes on that opening bell with live MMTs. The training and the live entries are about how to possibly get a capitulation. Then what is the mechanics of a capitulation? And how do I start getting in them when they bounce $3 right now out of nowhere on Apple on the bottom? And they just pounded that call up out of nowhere off of that bottom. And this is how it happens right here, Tina. You can see the bid pop. Okay. No, I'm live. 487, 484, less than 30 seconds ago. Wasn't it, everybody?
It was.
All right. And this is about how to get the wholesale bid on an opening bell capitulation where the public doesn't even know what to do. They're running at all times. Is the fear indicator putting in a high reversal? Yes or no? Here we have 217 points down. It's 6:53 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and MMTs are going through how to steal the lowest bid on these calls when this capitulation possibly happens in the first 30-minute or hourly opening bell is when the sellers all clear out. This is a very, very finite way of doing business with the public as they fear increases and they get out of the way. This is where the MMTs are going to take advantage of going through these live entries at live capitulation at 6:54 a.m. Pacific Standard Time at 10/4 2011. 10/4 rubber ducky. I'm putting bottoms in 484.20. Look at that Apple at 372.60 on their great day view. But once again, this tape is 6 minutes shy of a 30-minute opening price print. And how to steal the bids down here, the retail closing prices were there. And when we do put in the bottoms, we have 5 more minutes. And the 30-minute tape and how to steal the lower end of the pricing on a possible capitulation. That would be where the Dow would drop another 200 or 300 points. We don't see that happening right now. However, we are going to get to a sold out period and have a great movement once that 17 countries get their TARP. Rick Goley, bid me a contract at 950 right here. I'm putting a bottom in and a bid pop off of that 484 low.
950, order out.
What do we have?
8.5.
Okay, so we're $10
high.
Yeah, $11.
Okay.
Indexes are trying to put in a bottom.
VXN 100%.
Bouncing up
Okay.
to 12, 13.
What'd you say, Gibson?
VXN is 100%. VIX is at 97.
Google
Okay,
at
Rick
8.
Goley, you're starting to make a
but-
bottom. Go
but
out
they
there and
high.
bid again at 930 and see if he'll throw it to you.
930.
Yep, you got to
Order
work the
out.
bid in the ass there. There you are. I can see you. Now let's see if he'll throw off. 910, there was 10 that was printed there. Too bad. They're going to get dusted. Who would buy 10 contracts with that kind of risk? See, we're still on the capitulation mode on the opening bell. We're 3 minutes away from the hourly, half an hour tape, rather. Let's see what they do in the bid and the ask here. He's bringing her on down to 484, which I like, but it's okay. He's still bid popping right around
They're
that.
getting a bid pop on the NDX.
All right,
to
Goley, you're going to
14.
have to get hit. Stick right there and see if he'll throw it to you. That's 30 cents. Just trying to make a market here with everything down 530, trying to get wholesale. We are putting in a bottom in the markets. We are open 2 minutes from now. We'll have the first 30-minute tape. We're finally putting a bottom in the market in this time frame, and it's now 700 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10/4/2011. Right here, we had peaked at about 245 handles down. Now we're starting to put a bottom in. Rick Goley, can you bid me a contract at $9.30 so
I'm
I can
out there at 930.
I don't see it here on the front. I don't see it in the level
that,
2.
Mario.
All right, so we're finally seeing that there's some delay data transmission in the exact electronic. Once again, you have to go up to 970 to try to get hit.
I'm on the bid still.
At what price? I see.
930.
No, there's a 950 there, and someone just bought 2 of them.
I don't see it here. I mean,
Well, look at my screen.
I'm
Okay,
in.
so we got low entries.
it's 920. We're getting a pop.
VIX and VXN are back below the 70.
Google's
All right.
at 29.
You're in the call, so you're in it, right?
We're in the 480.
I understand. Did you get executed over here, Rick Goley, on a 490?
No, I did not.
You don't need to watch the 480, please.
What's in
look at
front of
that.
me?
It's $3
No, I
off
did not get
one.
executed. By the time I hit 870, it was at 890.
All right. Well, you might want to review that 870 for 3 out there.
Where?
Good point.
It's a 940 right now by
Okay.
970, everybody. And you have, what we are looking for is this right here. Rick Goley, bid a contract. Keep the bids out there. We have what we call a 24. We have a 1,
NASDAQ's
2,
at 80.
3. We have a 3 teeny bar breakout finally. That is a qualifier with a triple diamond here at that low. You're bounce. Okay, here we got a bounce, Rick Goalie.
Yep.
Tina, come into play. You can see that we're bouncing a little bit. Here, I would like to show everybody. Here, I would like to show everybody. Here, I would like to show everybody you almost bounced 100 points in the Dow. What time is it? 7:11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10/4, October 4th, 2011. The Google chart is finally trying to put a bottom in, Tina. We finally got to a half bar support level on this 3-6 handle, as you can see, with the 10-minute flattening out. We'll go ahead, Brian Plain, Rick Goalie, go ahead and take a contract. You're going to have to bid it again. If we hold it 950, 9.5.
Got it.